Hi everyone! We're going to learn all about identifying regular and irregular polygons. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil if you'd like to join in. Can you name these 2D shapes? Pause the video and see how many you can identify correctly. Okay, here are the answers. We have an equilateral triangle, a rectangle, a square, a circle, a regular pentagon, a regular hexagon, a regular heptagon, a parallelogram, a regular octagon, and a trapezium. How many did you manage to identify? How do we identify a regular polygon? First of all, we need to understand what the term polygon means. A polygon is a shape that has 3 or more sides. A regular polygon means that all the sides of the shape are equal and all the angles are equal. Here are some examples of regular polygons. We have a square, an equilateral triangle, and a regular pentagon. A square has 4 sides of equal length. 1, 2, 3, 4. An equilateral triangle has 3 sides of equal length. 1, 2, 3. And a pentagon has 5 sides of equal length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we know what a regular polygon is. What is an irregular polygon? Irregular means that the shape has different length sides and different size angles. If any of the sides are of a different length, the shape is irregular. For example, a rectangle is an irregular polygon. Although all of its angles are the same size, a rectangle is an irregular polygon because the sides are different lengths. Here are some examples of irregular polygons. We have a rectangle, a right angle triangle, and a trapezium. Look closely and you will see that each shape has different length sides and different angles. Can you identify which shapes are regular polygons? Pause the video and have a go. How did you get on? We were identifying the shapes which are regular polygons. Remember, regular polygons have sides of equal length and equal angles. There are only 2 shapes here that are regular polygons. The regular polygons are the hexagon, because all of the sides are of equal length and all of the angles are the same. And also the octagon. All sides are of equal length and all angles are the same. All the other shapes have sides of different lengths. Therefore, they are irregular polygons. We had a rectangle, a regular octagon, a parallelogram, a regular hexagon, an irregular octagon, and a trapezium. This time, can you identify the irregular polygons? Pause the video and have a think. How did you get on? Let's identify the irregular polygons. This scalene triangle is irregular because it has sides of different lengths. This pentagon is also irregular because again it has sides of different lengths. This is an irregular pentagon. And finally, this is an irregular quadrilateral because it has 4 sides of unequal lengths. The remaining shapes are regular polygons because they have equal length sides and angles. We had a square, an irregular pentagon, an irregular quadrilateral, a scalene triangle, and a regular pentagon. The church below is made up of lots of 2D shapes. First of all, can you identify the shapes in the image below? Can you identify A, B, C, D, and E? Pause the video and have a go. How did you get on? Shape A is a triangle. Shape B is a rectangle. Shape C is a quadrilateral, as it has 4 sides. Shape D is a pentagon, as it has 5 sides. And shape E is also a rectangle. Now, can you identify whether these shapes are regular or irregular polygons? Remember, regular polygons have sides of equal length and irregular polygons do not. Pause the video and have a think. All of the shapes are irregular. Shape A is a triangle. However, it is not an equilateral triangle as all sides are not of equal length. Therefore, it is an irregular polygon. A rectangle has sides that are not of equal length and therefore is an irregular polygon. The quadrilateral also has sides of unequal length and therefore is an irregular quadrilateral. The pentagon is an irregular pentagon because it has sides of unequal length. And finally, a rectangle has sides of unequal length and therefore is an irregular polygon. That brings us to the end of this lesson all about identifying regular and irregular polygons. Regular polygons are three-sided shapes that have sides of equal length, whereas irregular polygons have unequal sides and angles. Now, put your knowledge to the test and try the quiz.